The 2025 new Brabus 900 is an elite showcase of power, luxury, and aggressive styling. Built upon Mercedes-Benz engineering and reimagined by Brabus, this vehicle isn't just another high-performance machine, it's a statement. With its unique peach color, the car instantly stands out, combining elegance with a bold presence rarely seen on the road. From the exterior, the Brabus 900 demands attention. The wide-body design, carbon fiber accents, and aggressive front grille with the Brabus B badge all point to its high-performance DNA. Large air intakes, sharp LED headlamps, and quad exhaust tips at the rear reinforce its supercar appeal. The peach color, unusual yet sophisticated, is perfectly complemented by matte black wheels and carbon fiber mirrors. Every angle of the car reflects handcrafted precision, blending luxury and power into one cohesive visual experience. Inside, the Brabus 900 is a sanctuary of modern craftsmanship. The cabin is wrapped in fine leather, with contrast stitching that matches the exterior tone. High-end carbon fiber trims, a digital cockpit, and ambient LED lighting create an immersive and high-tech environment. The seats are sporty yet extremely comfortable, offering both bolstering and support during spirited driving or long journeys. Every control surface feels refined and premium, and the infotainment system is intuitive and packed with advanced connectivity features. Under the hood, the Brabus 900 delivers astonishing performance. The V8 biturbo engine has been tuned to produce 900 horsepower, launching the vehicle with brutal acceleration. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3.8 seconds, a feat impressive for a luxury SUV. The ride is surprisingly composed, thanks to Brabus tuned suspension that balances performance with comfort. The exhaust note is deep, throaty, and unmistakably Brabus, assertive but never overwhelming. The 2025 Brabus 900 isn't just for car enthusiasts, it's for those who demand the best in both luxury and performance. With limited availability, exclusive design, and unmatched tuning, it stands in a class of its own. Whether parked in a showroom or roaring down the highway, it leaves a lasting impression.